eyelashes is tripping, but they always tripping. Hey my boo, it's your girl StacieWo. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you guys how I contour my face. I have some new tricks that I definitely want to share with you guys. If you are looking forward to see how to contour the face, make sure you keep on watching. For everyone that is new and just seeing me, welcome, and let's enjoy this video. So moving right along, I already moisturized my face. I put the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer on my face, this one right here. Now I'm going to be just using another primer that I usually use on my face, and that is the TARTE Smoothless Primer. I love this primer. It's really good with my complicated skin. As you can see, I have some complication areas and some little blemishes, but we're gonna get all of that together. Put this right here on my complicated area skin and on my lines as well. I don't know what's going on. This quarantine has been driving me crazy. So I hope everybody is doing well with the quarantine, because I'm not. Okay, I'm going crazy, but I'll be all right. Moving right along, we're going to be jumping into the NYX Full Coverage Concealer Lightweight Crease Free Concealer. I like using this because I have lines. I smile a whole lot. So what I usually do, I just take a little bit of this, put it like all on my lines. And then I just take my finger and tap very lightly. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my fave. It is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm just going to right now, I'm going to jump into concealing the eye. I'm taking the Louise Rumor Base 5. Then after I'm done that, I'm going to jump into my Creaseless concealer from TARTE. I lay that right over top of this, dragging it on the sides of my nose. Bringing that all the way down to right here, covering it up right here. Then I take what's left on the brush and I just dab in between. I know it might look crazy, but this is the way I does it, okay? Now we're going to spray the face, and we're going to work on blending this foundation right in. Using stamping motions. Blending it right in. Don't drag, don't swipe. Now we're going to be jumping into blending. So we're going to start from under the eye. Start from my nose and drag under just like this. Make sure you get in between that nose and drag. Alright, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into baking. I used a couple of things. I used the Airspun, just a translucent color. Then I used the Dark Deep Studio Fix. I also used the yellow Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX in the color Banana. So I put all three of these together and it mixes up a nice shade for me. So I'm just going to dab that in. now since we have that down, I'm going to be jumping into contour. I'm using the 3-step sculpt kit by NYX, and I'm just taking this, just blending that in, keeping it right here, tapping it in really good. I don't bake a lot. I'm going to jump right back into the dark deep mineral skin finish, and I'm going to dust all of this away. What we're going to do for mascara, as you guys already know, the Great Lash by Maybelline. Okay, prepping for lashes. I want to show you these lashes that I got from Amazon. They are the bomb. They are from DY Silk. As you can see, I've been using them, but these lashes, they are so good. I do layer them, but these lashes are absolutely the bomb. So guys, I have popped my lashes on. So now we're going to jump into lip. I know you guys already know that I've been using contour palette, and the contour palette that I've been using to line my lips is actually the cream contour palette by Black Radiance. I just keep doing this, you guys. So for everyone that's new, this is what I do, okay? We're going to be jumping in something very smooth, and we're going to be jumping into the MAC, and this is in the color Lust. So we're going to jump into the Lime Crime in the color L. Y'all know this is my thing, okay? So we're gonna be doing some inner corners, okay? Because I still want some inner corner in my eyes. All right, I'm gonna be jumping into the Milkshake eyeshadow palette. Oh my God, I love this. It's so good, so creamy. I'm going to be going into this color right here. So now, since I've showed you guys contour, I'm going to do a little bit of highlight, jumping back into that Black Radiance, dabbing just a little bit and moving that into my skin, then spray again. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure you give this look a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button so you will not miss my upcoming videos. I had so much fun with the quarantine contour look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look and got some cool tips from this look. Please be safe. Please stay in the house. Wash your hands. Do all the proper precautions so we all can be safe and this can be over soon. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Peace.